operators, right? Level 26 set operators. OTBI July 24. Level 57 open. Level 57. Okay. So now create the, so what we will do, set operators, set operators, set operators. First we will create the report, analysis, analysis, workforce management, worker assignment, real time. So I am taking the first subject area. In the first subject area, we'll take the BUID, BUID and BU name. In the first subject area, we'll take the BUID and BU name. Okay. In the second subject area, the first subject area, workforce management, worker assignment, real time. Second subject area, we'll take the same columns, BUID and BU name. In the first subject area, take these two columns. Second subject area, you take these two columns, and we will apply the set operators for these two. Okay. First subject area, take this subject area and add the two columns. Second subject area, add the two columns and apply the set operators. So how many set operators we discussed yesterday? Union, union all, union all. So, present bias. Union or intersect minus. Workforce management, worker assignment first real time. So take the BUID, business unit name. Set operators example. This name can be any name, guys. Click on results. So this is the first subject area. We added the two column BUID, BU name. So now what we will do, if you want to apply the set operators, you have to use this one. There is an icon is there, no? In the right side, there is an icon called this one. This one we have to select. When I select this one, when I select this one, you have to choose the another subject area.
Can we search in the top forms?
Search it will take a lot of time.
Okay.
It has to traverse one by one, right? Workforce management, assignment, worker assignment, event real time. In the first subject area, we added the two columns. Second subject area, what we will do, BUID and BU name. Like that. First subject area, we added the two columns. Second subject area, we added the two columns. And how you apply the set operators? There is an option here, no? Here there is an option, right? You observe union. You want to
in the same report area, you drag and drop of the same two subject areas columns, right? In the same report area.
yeah, same report. Not different, same.
Okay.
Same report only I added the two subject areas. So in the first subject area, I added the two columns. Then I use this one. Then I selected another subject area. It came like that. Then you in the second subject area also you added the two columns. Save this one. So by default it will take the union. See, by default it will take the union. So now what will happen? Union means it will not come the duplicate, right? Click on results. It will not come the duplicate. Here. You will not see anywhere in the duplicate data. Understand or not?
Yes.
So now you apply the union all, you will see the duplicate data. Union all, save the changes. Okay. Duplicate data coming, right? India business unit, India business unit. Like this. So, following or not? So this is the duplicate data coming because we have mentioned the union all. Unlike that, we can use intersect. Save results. So intersect means common data from voice is coming. Common values from first subject area that needs to be mapped into second subject area. That means common record from the both subject areas data. That is called intersect. And minus means you select the minus, there is no data will come. No data found, no results found. Because such records not there. Such records not found in the such record. That means the first record, whatever it is there in the second record. Okay, if that matches, okay, if that matches, if that not matches, that will be print. Matched records, that will be eliminate. Matched records, that will be eliminate.
Can you please select union ones?
Okay.
Okay. Union only the business unit name it will twice display, but business unit ID is unique only, right?
You want to display business unit, but that is because, you know, right? What is that column? What is that option? You go here, business unit ID. There is
Full.
a column properties. You go to column properties. Option not coming. Did formula. Basically, what is happening is it is coming duplicate only.
Okay.
See what is happening. I will tell you. Union all. Otherwise, do one thing. Click reals. You remember we have done one example, right?
Repeating.
Repeating
Yeah.
repeat that option. That option applied here. That is the reason it is not coming.
Okay. That
So
by
if
default
you,
it will apply that apply
by
that
default that
option,
is
right?
applied. That is the reason it is not coming. But if you
Okay.
want to still apply, you can apply. You remove this one. Go to business unit name, column properties. I'm talking about this one. Suppress.
Yes, suppress, yeah.
If you press the repeat, then it will not come.
Okay, okay. Okay, miss.
Okay. So this is the set operators, guys. Set operators, how to apply, understand or not, guys. First select this one subject area, add the two columns. Then second, then after that, select the set operators. Select the set operators window. Set operator option. Then select the set operator option. Then select the second subject area and add the columns.
Vamshi.
Select union and test. So this is the set operators.
Vamshi, one note.
Yeah.
Actually, for these two different subject areas, we have selected the common columns. So for each subject area, whatever the columns we are selecting in the second subject area, also the same columns we need to select, right?
Yes.
Then only these particular set operators will work.
Yes, correct.
Okay.
In SQL also same, na?
Right. That is what.
In SQL also same.
No, but Vamsi, can we select multiple columns from the one subject area?
You can select. See, example
Right?
purpose. I have
Okay.
taken, but example I have
Yeah.
taken this too. But you can add this one and you can add this one. That's not a problem.
Yeah. It's not mandatory. Let's suppose if in one set we have selected 10 columns, but in the second one we can select 2 or 3. It's our depends on our requirement only, right?
Correct. But in SQL also, if you add both columns are should match, na?
Yeah.
Right. This is for the join. Right. That is
Yeah.
it. That is fine. Okay.
Now next example, master detail report. Master detail report. In the master detail report, we are going to display country, location name, account. country, location name, and headcount. So
Vamsi,
yeah,
in that we selected two columns, right? If we select 5 to 6 columns, and then how it will select the then how it will eliminate the how it will select the rows, because all the data must match from both the tables, then only it will do the operation, right?
not understanding your question.
Actually, since we selected only 2 columns, right? And in the business unit name, if it is from business unit name only, it is performing the operation.
It will validate, man.
It will validate.
It will validate the data from the first subject area, second subject area.
Both record values should be same. Then only that unit operators will
Yes,
unit
yes.
From should be same data types as well.
Data types also same.
So Vamsi, for merging, like we need at least 1 or 2 common columns, right?
Not 1 or 2. I think all columns.
All
should
the
be
columns will be common only.
the
Oh,
both
all
reports,
columns.
all the columns should be matched.
But you are not
No,
joining
then-
any join right here. Just only for selecting the columns from the two business areas. That's it, right?
Same SQL how it works here also it will work. Yes. I'm not doing any joins. I'm just adding the one subject area, some columns, here also some columns. It should match all the columns from the first subject area and second subject area. Then only it will come.
Okay.
Here, country, location name, and headcount. So when user select country, so when user select country, the locations country, the locations will come in the format of graph. When user select the country, the locations will come in the format of graph, graphical format. For example, if I select India, in the child, it will display graph. If I select India child, it will display the graph. It will display the graph. If I select the US in the parent, India in the parent, child, it will display the graph. First of all, you all know right what I mean by parent and what I mean by child. I will tell you what I mean by parent and what I mean by child. Department number, department name, location, employee number, employee name, salary, and DPT number. In the department number, you can use 10 department name, account, 20 sales, 30, 40 in Delhi. So here employee data, employee one department number, 2 something 10. Three, employee name is one. Some name, Ross, some salary, 24, some salary, 25, No, salary 30. So guys, did you observe here? So this is the data for department. This is the data for employee. Now with this understanding, so which one is parent and which one is child?
Department is going to be parent.
Department is child.
Department is parent.
Employee is child.
So this is the parent and this is the child. So that means if you look at this one, department number common column in the child also. If I select the 10, these two employees are there. That means one department we have two employees. So that means one parent we have multiple childs. If you look at this one, this 20, we have two records are there. If I mention this 30, we have this record is there, like that.
Vamshi, this is like referential integrity.
Yeah, this is the parent data and this is the child data. Parent data we have a common column, child data we have a common column.
Like in SQL, we have primary key and foreign key.
Yeah, correct. So just for example purpose only, this is master and this is the details. Parent or child, master or details both are same. Parent and child, master and details both are same. Understand? So similar kind of example what we are doing. One country we have multiple locations, right? So country name press child data will come in the graphical format. Child data will be refresh selection. That child data will be locations. And particular head count also will come. So head count we will consider as the measure. Location name will consider as the slices. Location name will consider as the slices. Locations will be divided, right? Location wise, head count will come, right? Country name will consider as the sections. Sections we have not covered in the graph, right? You remember, first example, we have covered one of the requirement in the graph. Sections we have not covered. Sections we have not covered. So in this example, we'll see how we can use the sections. Okay. First, we'll develop this report. Then we'll see child, how we can establish the link between this and this, and how we can add the graphical format here, how we can have sliders. There is a slider option here. The slider option, the slider option also I will show you. Slider. First to develop the report. Create. Create. Catalog. Create analysis. Take the same subject area. Workforce management, worker assignment, real time. Same subject area you can take. Department. Country name, location name, and head count. Country name. Country name. Location name. name, location name, head count, worker assignments, head count. Country name, location name, and head count. Save this one. Master details report. So remove the scrolling. Okay. So if you want to mention head count, something you can mention greater than 40. Okay, no? So this is the data we got. This is the parent data. Now when I select this country, the related child data will come in the here, in the below. If I select the United Kingdom, the related data will come here. France, the related data will come. United States, the related data will come. That will be displayed in the graphical format. For that what you will do? Graph bar vertical. So previously we have used graph pie chart, right? Now this time I am using graph bar vertical. Once again I will tell you. Select this one. Graph bar vertical. So it is coming like this, right? It is coming like this. But if I observe here, when I select this is now it is coming China, right? Because it is taking first record. China having the first record, that is the reason China record, China data came. But if I select this one, it should be refresh France data. Understand or not? See, first record China, it is came China only. But if I select this one, this should be refresh, but it is not refreshing. And country by default, it is coming as the parameter. Graph prompt, it is coming. But I would like to change graph prompt to different. How to change? Click on update.
Once it will select that vertical, by default, it will come in the below layout, right?
Yeah, below it is coming, correct. It is coming by default, correct only. So now, so country, you can add the sections and you can add the sliders. Slider elements, it will come. And head count like this. Location name, you can display slices. Location name, you can display here, bars. Save the changes. I just change the prompt to sections and I enable the slider. Head count I have not changed. This location I changed like this. Location I move to below. It will come like this. China. This is a slider. If I change here, if I click the place, France it is coming, Italy it is coming, United Kingdom, like this. But end user will select from the parent. For example, if I select the France data will come here. End user will select the China data will be refreshed.
Vamshi, this country column, you already provided this particular link, right? The column level link, right? Data level link.
No, I have not provided, but by default country will come like that. If you want, you can remove the hyperlink also for this.
By
I'll
default, it has come that link. That link was by default was there.
Yeah, by default it is coming.
Why?
I don't know, but some
Okay.
columns by default it will come. So if you want, you can remove that. I also not sure why it is coming, but if you want, you can remove the hyperlink. Interaction. You can put the none here. Huh? Now you will not see that. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So that
Now
Oracle not given any documentation for why it is coming hyperlink. So if you want, you can remove for that.
So now it will work this graph. If you select the column.
No, still we have not implemented that part.
Okay.
So for example, if I select the China data will come. If I select the Italy data will come here. So that we have not implemented. We have implemented the parent, we have implemented the child, but we have not given the link between parent to child.
Here in the child, it is showing only head count only, right? What about the locations?
Locations it is coming now.
Okay. Okay.
Locations it is coming, right? Italy locations, this one. Sorry. So this is the China locations.
Okay.
So now it will be refreshed when I select here. This should be refreshed. For that, what you will do? So till here, any questions you can ask me, guys. Any navigation also you can ask me. I'll show you once again.
Just show me the sliding option also.
Yeah, what you will do? Just go to the update. Just check the checkbox. That's it here. Check the checkbox sliding.
So with the use of selections, we can do this, right, Vamshi?
Selection.
In the section selection.
Yeah. You see, previously it was like that, guys. I changed to here and put the slider option. The slider will come.
Vamshi, once again you explain that like China specific country data, where did you go?
Still I have not implemented that part.
No, when you are selecting that, it is coming right downside, like like France, Italy. How did you get that?
Still I have not implemented. I am saying that.
By clicking on place, no, it will, if you click on place, it is moving.
It is moving, but end user wants to select here. It should be refreshed, but that I have not implemented now.
Okay, fine. Okay.
So here it is coming, but end user, see here it is coming, but end user will not understand, right? If I select here, then only it has to refresh, right? So for that, what you have to do, go to the criteria, go to the criteria, go to the criteria, go to the country, column properties, interaction. There is an option called master detailed events. Go to the criteria, interaction, send master detail events. Send master detail events. Send master detail events, specify channel link. Send master detail events, specify channel link. You can give any name, this name. Any name, this one. Any name, this one. Once again, I will tell you. Go to the criteria, country, column properties, interaction, primary interaction, like this. Give any name. This name can be any name. Copy this name. Copy this name. Click on OK. And go to the results. Go to the results. There is a property section. Listen to master detail events. Listen to master detail events. Paste here. Whatever you copied from the criteria, right? You can paste here. Click on OK. Save the changes.
Just repeat the second one option.
So go to the properties. Listen to master detail events. Whatever you copied, right? Paste here. Now you select the Italy. Coming, right? So China, France, like this. Understand or not?
But yes, we have multiple locations, right, Vamshi? Can we add one more location combination? Will that work?
Which one?
No, little China, France has only one location name, right? China, France, Italy, we have only one location name. And UK. Yeah, but UK and US, we have multiple locations, right?
If we click the United Kingdom, multiple locations coming in here.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, is there any way to, if you are selecting the United Kingdom and London, combination of two, country and location? It will show the, no. If you are selecting, maybe you are selecting only for the US, right? US is the master detail, right? I want to add location as well.
Where location coming here?
So the selectors, I think. Yesterday you said that one selectors, right? From the
column selectors.
Yeah, column selector, yeah.
Yeah, you can implement column selectors here.
Okay.
We already discussed now.
in the graph, is it possible to implement that locations drop down? Whatever the locations you are coming by selecting on the particular location, will it show this graph? That actually main thing.
You add the location also, this master detail, column properties, interaction. Save results. Go here. You mention link one here. So select the London. It will come like that. We select the United States, it will come. Sorry, it will select the year. See, the link is from country level, not in the location level. So location is the child data, right?
Can you provide this interaction, the interaction link? Can you try that? Yes, we can provide the link to the location also.
I have provided now.
In the interactions level, have you provided in the column properties level? Interaction is that option.
Provided, right? Column properties. Interaction.
This one.
So link one provided, it is coming right now. You look at this one.
But that it is not reflecting, right? In that only at countries level only it is repeated.
Countries level only it is repeated because that is the way, that is the reason country level only. First I have created the automatically when I add the country, that is the reason it is created link. Did you observe?
Right.
Understand or not, guys?
Yes.
There is a link between header and master and detail, the interaction, that link only, right? The master detail link something, right? That is the only one keyword, right?
Yeah, master detail link only.
The interaction
only
is
one.
Main thing.
Okay.
Only one we can do. Yeah, correct.
Okay.
At a time, we can create only one link, right?
Only one link we can do. Yeah, correct. So many times you will use in the real time, guys. This one I'm telling you. So master detail link interview question also they will ask many times. I have faced this question. So you have to go to parent level, go to the interaction, select the primary value master detail, mention one name, link I have mentioned, go to the results, properties, legend to master elements, click this one, mention this one. Whatever you mention the parent name, that should be added here. So this is the master detail report, guys. Any questions you can ask me. If you don't have any question, we'll start the next report.
Vamshi, even you created a child subject area also. Did you create it?
Same subject area I have taken.
Okay.
Subject area same.
Subject area.
Locations are there in the same subject area, right?
Okay.
Locations are there in same subject area, right?
But coming when you created a report, even child also, did you create it or else directly it is taking like that? Like, what is the link actually?
I think you have not followed.
Here the child is a graph, no,
Here
not
is the
the
graph, na?
Child is a graph.
from the
Okay.
master data only we are displaying child data.
Yeah, that I understood.
Child I have created, na? If I select this one, graph, vertical, this is the child.
For this, to create the graph, there is no data.
He's
for the
asking,
create
did you created the subject area for that? He's asking.
No, that is the reason I'm telling you, na? One subject area we are doing both.
That is what I'm asking you. But in the
she's
real
asking.
time, if at all, it is not compulsory that both the subject areas are same, right? It can be different, right? In that time, how we can proceed?
That is the reason I'm telling you many times. I already told you multiple times. Once again, I'm telling you multiple subject areas, how to combine one a dedicated session will be there. That also I will cover.
Okay.
Multiple subject areas, columns combine and create one report. That also we will cover coming days.
Vamshi,
Yeah.
Vamshi, can we provide a parameter depending on the parameters?
Parameters
The data should be displayed.
Parameters also will cover.
Okay.
Parameters also will cover in the coming days. Okay. Yeah, in the next report only parameters
Here,
will cover.
Vamshi, just you created one subject area, one report, and
Correct.
from that report, you are making it off as a graphical, okay? Second report,
There is no second report here. One
yeah,
subject
it's
area,
how
one
can
is one subject area. First one I have selected the parent. Same subject area I have selected the graph as the child.
graph as a child.
Yeah. Okay. So next next report, guys. Person number, person name. One subject area. First one I have taken as the parent. Second one I have selected as the child. Assignment status. Annual and full time salary. Day since last salary change. Ledger currency.
Vamshi, please write it down the navigations of the meeting calls.
Which navigations?
The link which we have, the master link.
Master. Okay, sure. Select the parent column. Select the parent column.
Put the bracket as country Vamshi, yeah, in the bracket. Okay.
Country. Interaction. Column properties. Interaction. Interaction. Then what we will select primary value. Primary value select as master detail events. Primary value can set as the master detail events. So column properties, interaction, primary value select as the master detail events. Okay. Master detail events.
Then we need to give it
Link
to
name.
Child graph properties. Name as link. This name can be any. Child graph properties. Child graph properties. Child graph properties. Master details. People are joining 9:55 also. Then the master details. Okay, now guys. Any question you can ask me. If you don't have any question, we'll start this one. So this is the compensation details report. In this report, we'll cover the parameters. Compensation details report will cover the parameters. We'll start our Monday.
Monday.
Okay, guys. Thank you, guys. Stopping now. Anything you want to ask?
Vamshi,
Yeah.
in that when we select the vertical bars, will be getting that graphical or pie chart components, right?
Correct.
In that, what to mention, how do we know, right? Because we'll be getting confused over there.
Same components for the pie we discussed, right? In the pie chart, whatever the components are there, right? Same thing is there.
Yes, yes.
Same example I have covered, right?
Yes,
Invoice
yes, but
amount.
today, yes, yes, yes. But how can we know that invoice amount we need to put it in the measure section, in the graph prompts we need to
Client
apply?
will tell the requirement, na?
Okay, okay.
Client will give the requirement. Based on that, we have to organize the columns into graph properties, graph components.
Okay.
Thank you. Take care. Monday we'll meet.